Hey, Bogan, this is Michael. First, I want to thank you for all the good work you've done. You've done just great work. We can't thank you enough for how quickly you do it and how well you do it. So I wanted to start off by saying that. The reason of this video is this is the next project. You've done this before, but we need to modify how you do it um, so that we end up with just straight HTML and we um, don't have a lot of unneeded code in the descriptions of our products. Um, and I'll show you that as I go through this. So basically what I've attached to your email is this file. It's called product description fixed. You've got the ID on our site, the ID on Emerson's site, and then you have the extended description over here. And I didn't really need to add this. I just wanted to show you um, what I mean, like this span, product information. If you go on down here, there's some. If I can find it, some of this stuff. There's some Microsoft Word stuff that all needs to kind of just be taken off the site. And we're doing this primarily for SEO purposes to try to just have a clean experience for Google and for Bing to come and scrape our sites. So that's the first part of the project. The second part is to make sure that our price is right. And so what I need you to do, let's start by first, let me log out, and we're going to log you back in. So your username is BODGAN1. Your password is, I'll send this to you in an email. You're going to log in, and you're going to go to products, and you're going to hit your filter, and you're going to put your cursor right there. You're going to go back to the spreadsheet. Go right here to product description. Right, and you're going to go to the first one, which is American Labs, ABFIM, okay? And let's minimize this. You're going to copy and paste that in here, and you're going to search. Okay, and it's going to come up. It's 1402. So the next thing you have to do is you got to come over here to Emerson's site, and you have to log in. And it's customer service at covenanthealthproducts.com, and I'll send you the password. And you hit enter. You go back to the spreadsheet, and you simply copy that, put it in here, get rid of your space, and then hit search. And you can see this product's been discontinued, so that's good to know, right? So what I want you to do is go back to the site. Sorry for this video is making me do all these screens a certain way. And what you want to do is you want to hide it, okay? And then I want you to write up here DICO and then space. That way we can do an export and I can quickly get rid of these. And we're going to save that, and then you're going to go to the next one. Okay? Then you're going to type in this. You're going to go over to Emerson's site, and you're going to type that in there, right? And boom. And you're going to open it, right? And this is the tricky part. It's not really that tricky, but you're going to go back over to the site. Now, one thing I want to note is you don't actually have to use the EM. We've got most of the manufacturer IDs in here. So you hit View Edit, and then you hit Filter, and then you just search the product. Right? It'll come right up. You hit Edit. All right. So first thing I want to do is confirm the price. It's $24.62 and $12.31. $12.31. So the price is right on this. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is, you see this WYSIWYG? It needs to be set at WYSIWYG. All right? And I want you to get rid of all this. Okay, you can see there's no formatting. It looks terrible. So just delete that. And then you're going to go back over to Emerson, right? And you're going to highlight this, right? Boom. And what I want you to do is hit copy. And then you're going to go into a notepad document to get rid of all the formatting, right? So there's that, and then you're going to hit boom, right? And you're going to go back to this, and you're going to put that in there. So when I show you, when I go to this product on our site, this will take you to the product, right? So it should pop another browser, and it does. You'll see that there's no, the formatting's really bad. That's the before, right? And then you're going to save this, right? Because you just updated all the formatting, right? And you go over here, and if you refresh your page, you'll see that it's all formatted really nice now. You see, boom, doesn't that look pretty? So the other thing I need you to do, just for to make sure that we do this correctly, is make sure that there's not any ingredients, right? And I guess we want to do this. So you want to hit copy, go back to your Word, that, and then just paste that there, and then make sure that it's formatted right. You know, just add a space. That looks good. And copy, paste, and then go back over here and go down here, make sure it's in WYSIWYG, and then delete all that again, and then paste, and then save, right? And then hit that, and you'll see that all this is in great shape now. Boom, boom, active ingredients, boom, 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 boom. Now you can see that our site's changed quite a bit, you know, with brands, that we've really focusing on SEO and making sure that we have text all over our site. We have these related links. Now what I want you to do, I don't expect you to do related links, but if you come to a page and it's broken, and I wish I had an example of a broken page, I want you to go to related links, and I want you to just key in on one word, which is adrenal, right? Hit search. And in this case, it's really easy. Just add 4 adrenal products, right? And they'll add right there, right? Boom, boom, boom. Now what's cool about this is that now we have internal links in our site, which is really important for SEO if you didn't know that. And so these all have adrenal in it, which is you're keying in on a word in the page. So if you go back over here, you'll see now that this page has got all these adrenal products, which is great. So you have adrenal, adrenal, adrenal. I don't want you to do related links unless the page is broken. If you get stumped, and you don't know what to add, just write the part number down and put that in an email and send it to me, and I'll fix it. All right. So I want you to look at each page after you add the description, just to double check and make sure that it's pretty and all that. All right. And so that's basically what I need you to do. I need you just to clean up all of my descriptions and check the price. If the price is the same, leave it alone. If it's changed, then change it. And base it on what you see, actually, sorry, what you see here. Okay, that's all I need. Um, that's the project. The next thing that we're going to do after you finish this is I'm going to start having you add lines. and I'll go through. I'll send you a video on how to add a line, but that'll include related links because that needs to get done as well.